I'm Brittany with WTI, and if you want to whack some weeds,
why not do it with this DUOHGN weed whacker? I really appreciated this on my jobs. It's got a telescoping neck, which allows good storage. You have a 2-button press turn on and a handle for easy maneuverability. If it gets jammed, it automatically shuts off so that you can have the safety of being able to pull it out of the blades and for it not to get overly wound up. It is very easy to change the blades, to install the handles. You have 3 different types of blades. You have the plastic, which is great for soft grass or smaller weeds. The 2-sided blades is great for if you're wanting to get any big, thick weeds or even brush. It comes with a saw blade, which is also super helpful for anything much more robust, like any branches or thicker shrubs. It comes with 121-volt battery. I appreciated the 2 different types of faceplates and the metal guard. And the faceplate I appreciated the most was actually the one with wheels. Again, everything is very easy to take on and off and to change out. But when you have the wheels on, and this allows you to mow the grass or get any difficult weeds to the desired height. The head has the ability to adjust. To really get the right angle, you can adjust it and get back to work and to get rid of all of those pesky weeds.
it was so versatile. It helped us to accomplish so much in our landscaping jobs, and I highly recommend it, but that's just my point of view.